So the hunting adventure continues. We're going upstate again.
1 week.
One whole week.
No, more than a week, really. Like 9 days.
Yeah.
Today's Friday. We're not coming back till the following Sunday, so I don't know, do the math.
We're supposed to be hunting. There's a nice cold snap, and we got some bad weather. So we'll probably go out this afternoon. It's all rain Saturday, Sunday, and Monday.
You like my
Yeah, what's this called?
Lazy Susan?
A Lazy Susan. We haven't had like a talk in a long time.
Yeah.
So what's the plan today?
Oh, that thing is rolling?
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
I didn't get that comment before.
What comment?
How you thought I was the greatest hunter alive. I didn't get that on video.
You see, you gotta know when to turn the camera on.
Do we get cookies?
You want cookies? I asked you if you wanted it. You said no.
Well, I thought like you were gonna cook, and I didn't want you to cook. You cooked enough last night when we got here. That was a pretty good undertaking last night. You made
Better eat
spaghetti
plenty.
with clam sauce.
You better eat plenty of cookies.
Why?
Because I got no plans of coming back in here to make lunch. I'm gonna go out late morning, and I'm staying out till dark. Come shit mother blood.
Can we put the bell up?
Huh?
Can we put the bell up?
You got until 11 o'clock. At 11 o'clock, I'm going out, and I ain't coming back until now.
What are we eating?
For supper?
What is this?
What are we eating for? What, for supper?
We're not eating lunch?
That's why I said eat plenty of cookies. Have a late breakfast. Boil up some eggs later before we go out, that's all.
I would put my survival rations.
Yeah, listen, if you're really hungry, make yourself a can of soup.
Yeah, maybe I'll do that. Put it in my thermos. We bought the soup last night, right?
Yeah.
Little.
Yeah. Shouldn't drink that soup in the woods anyhow.
What?
Too much salt. Makes you thirsty.
Yeah, we got no water.
You got water in the fridge.
Let me plan these trips a little bit better. I'll bring beer in the woods. We got plenty of
You
beer.
got plenty of beer.
I told you we had beer.
Would that beer have lasted us the whole week?
No, not the way you drink.
Yeah, there we go. Me. Dude,
What?
what did it look like when we pulled your blind down? It was like a 12-pack of empties in there, the way I drink.
We ran out of water.
It was like raiding the homeless shelter underneath the freaking overpasses in the Bronx.
Ran out of water, so I brought beer with me in the woods.
Every day.
No. I get thirsty. So I left my blind in the woods, and it collapsed. And fell apart, so we went to go take it apart. There must have been like, yeah, maybe.
Maybe a 12. There's like a 12-pack of empties in there.
Yeah, beer in there.
I'm telling you, it was like raiding one of them little homeless shelters under the freaking overpasses in the Bronx.
Remember that one year I took my hunting suit out and I reached into the pocket and it had like a little can of beer in the pocket.
Yeah.
And I took it out and I put it on top. It's still good. No? um,
The wind is kicking up out there too. It's supposed to be crappy for at least the next 3 days, and it's not going to be right
yeah.
at all this week. It's like a whole week of bad weather.
I don't know.
And I'm afraid this between the wind and the rain, and I'm afraid it's going to screw up the rut.
You think I'll be okay in that blind? Leave it out,
Yeah.
stake it down, and tie it down, and
No, it'll be fine.
yeah. All right.
Where are you going to put it?
I have no idea.
I would put it right over here for the bows. I mean, you're not going to put rifle here, but I would.
Outside on the porch.
No, over here, where it was last year.
Yeah. Just worried about that asshole next door coming out again.
Nah, don't worry about it.
We have a guy next door. He doesn't like us hunting. So he makes noises when he sees us by his property line. And we can't help being on his property line. Well, not even when we're on his property line. You were down the road over there and he came out and started picking the started doing something to the road.
It's all right. So Benny said he might come next weekend.
Good. Maybe they'll pick up your dad.
That's what he said. I'll pick up. But my father ain't gonna come anyhow. This is bow season, you know.
He should use a crossbow.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Get one of them ones that are easy to pull back.
I might buy one next year.
For him?
Set it up for him, yeah.
Yeah. He'll probably enjoy it. Now you need an archery license for it?
Yeah, he's got an archery license.
Okay. Sal
don't have an archery license. He's gotta get one.
Tell that boy to do it. But it's funny, New York State treats the crossbow like a rifle.
Here we go into your political rhetoric now.
Yeah, I know. I gotta move out of New York State. Cuomo and everybody else, I gotta move out of the state. But I don't get political on my videos.
Somebody's walking around upstairs.
I tell you.
It's so comfortable up there now, though, dude.
It is.
It is. It really is.
It's probably
What a
warmer,
difference.
too.
What a difference.
What's over here?
No, that my bed, but it's
What you got in your bed?
it's the wood. You know, it's the house. It's starting to heat up. The wood is starting to expand.
It's nice and that, huh?
Yeah, it's nice now. When I woke up this morning, you had the freaking thing all the way down. Why do you turn it all the way down?
Because it heats up all the way up.
No, but it was cold in here this morning, dude. Once the house, you gotta wait. The first night you can't do that. You gotta learn to burn hot the first night, or otherwise it takes 3 days for this place to warm up.
But then the fire's on in 4 hours.
Then you wake your ass up and you put more wood on it.
Me?
You're down here. If you want, I'll tell you what. I'll put a string on a bell. Wake me up. I'll come put the wood on the fire.
Maybe we should do that. I'll drill a hole right over there.
Yeah, right
rope
there.
going.
We'll just yank on the rope. Ring the bell. I'll wake up.
We'll put a little animal down here the minute.
You wake up every 2 hours to go to the bathroom with your fucking prostate all fucked up the way it is. Me, I sleep all night.
Why are you making fun of my prostate? Motherfucker.
I ain't making fun of it, but it's the truth, right?
I get up once.
Okay, so when you get up, put more wood on the fire.
I did.
You gotta burn it hot the first night. Otherwise, you wake up in the morning, it's cold in here. Have another cookie. No, you touched it. You gotta eat it now. Don't be doing that.
These are my favorite cookies.
Disappointed by what's on the can.
bet you someone has that buck in their yard.
Well, you said the guy told you he's got him, right? On his
Yeah.
camera.
We should take a walk there. Alright, so game plan is you're gonna go out there.
I'm gonna go out there early, late morning. I'm gonna
Okay.
go out there and I'm just gonna spend the afternoon out there. That's it. I mean,
Until-
rain, snow, fucking sleet, wind, whatever.
Oh, you're making it sound like it's gonna be rough. You got a little condo with a cover
Yeah, well,
and a heater. It's still raining and sleeting. I'm watching TV. And he doesn't know what to do with himself. He's organizing all the drawers. His OCD is kicking in.
yeah, I think you could say that.
Oh, yeah. I'm watching Maverick. I think this afternoon we'll be able to go out. Looks like it's calming down a little bit.
10 cents in 1950.
You see any deer?
Now $2. I don't know about you, but I would pay more than $2.
I didn't see a deer.
To this tender moment.
We're watching the Antique Roadshow now
Grandmother's watch from 1900.
because it's pouring outside.
It's worth about $100, but it's worth $1 million to me. Today we brought
I remember when we used to hunt, Ange. You remember when we used to hunt?
Yeah, I remember when we used to hunt.
I remember when we used to hunt.
This weather is just.
But because the mother
Yeah.
was dead,
We're waiting.
it wasn't worth as much as we thought. But we had a great time.
All right. Hopefully this will stop.
Hiya, fellas.
Three boys, what? First off,
Did you see anything?
No.
okay.
Neither did I. I see popcorn though.
Go ahead, go on, Phil.
So we're gonna go driving around looking for deer, seeing if we could spot anything. It's been a miserable day. We didn't get to go hunting, so you got it going stir crazy in the house. What a miserable day. I noticed you're a little bit irritable today. Is it the weather? Is it?
Yeah, I'm a little disappointed in the weather.
We got rain on lines.
Wow, did they move that thing?
Yeah.
They had to, right?
Yeah, that thing was down over there.
Yeah, that thing wasn't over there before. I mean, they must have just moved it too.
Yep. Well, there's got to be something going to it. Hang on. I don't know.
No, they moved it. They moved it.
But I don't see any tracks going in with the car. We got the weather. We got a weather station here,
No,
and that's what the second part of the weather station.
that's for snowfall.
That's for snowfall amounts.
No, they definitely moved it.
And the other
It was
weather
down in the
stations
cor-
up there.
It was down. It wasn't in the middle like that before.
Bastards. I didn't want my buddy barbecuing in the rain, so we're going to Mama Maria's for pizza. Pizza's his favorite. That was good.
It was good. You got lunch for tomorrow?
Yes. That was a good meal. And we got pizza for tomorrow. And he's warming up the car. I don't know how these GoPros are at night, so I guess I'll find out when I process the video footage.
What's that?
I don't know how these are at night, how good you can see them at night. Oh my God. That was a good meal.
It was a good meal. Thank you.
No, thank you, buddy, for driving me out here and taking the car weekend after weekend. I really appreciate it.
I know you do. You hate using your car.
I hate driving.
Yeah, but you like your car snuggled in the garage.
Nah, I like driving. Believe me, if I could take an Uber up here, I would probably. Oh, look at that light up there. I don't know if you can see it. How bright that is, yeah? So I spent the day watching TV, sleeping late, eating pizza with my buddy instead of hunting. At the end of the day, even though I didn't go hunting, I had a good time with my friend.